rain robber. Just last week, Los Angeles had cats and dogs. Buckets of it. And now all of a sudden, sun? Who stopped the rain? Authorities are speculating it was the big man in office. No, not that guy. That guy. The President of the United States. Rain stopped. He put an end to solving LA's worst problem, the drought. The clouds sucked it in. We were almost 40% out. Looks like the president has already started his reign of power. Shut up. Fuck that guy. I'll only be using this for sun protection. Shannon Potter, local news.